Today I want to introduce a product that's new to us and honestly checks a lot of boxes for real shops doing real TPMS work. This is the LaunchTech USA TSAP-3 Advanced Diagnostic TPMS tool, combined with 80 dual sensors. And what makes this interesting isn't what the tool does, it's what the whole package does for workflow, coverage, and inventory. This isn't a how-to video, this is a does this make sense in your shop conversation. The TSAP-3 activates all OEM sensors and clearly displays the information on the screen. So we're talking no partial data, no limited compatibility. It handles both 315 and 433 megahertz multi-frequency sensors. It programs all aftermarket leading sensor brands. It supports over 200 vehicles. This way you're not guessing how to reset the system after you install a sensor. That means whether you're programming, triggering, or relearning, you're covered with Launch USA. This goes beyond just triggering and reading a sensor. This allows you to program, relearn, and actually complete the job. This is a full-service TPMS platform. You get worldwide vehicle coverage, and it stays current because it updates wirelessly over Wi-Fi. No more cables, no more mailing it in, and no more lagging behind on coverage. It also displays TPMS data for up to 7 tires on screen at once. That is huge for dually trucks with the spare. So if you're a fleet mechanic working on dualies, this really matters. Now let's talk about the 80 sensors. And this is where the real value is, in my opinion. You get 80 dual sensors. That means metal and rubber valve stem. These sensors are IP67 rated. That means they're protected against dust and debris, and they're pretty lightweight at only 24 grams, so they're easy to balance out. Those are all factors you want in a sensor that's going to be living in a wheel for a long, long time. When a car comes in with a dead sensor, you don't need to tell the customer, we'll have to order it anymore. You have it on the shelf. You diagnose it, you program it, you install it, you move on. TPMS work is not going anywhere. If anything, you're going to see more and more of it. So having sensors on the shelf just makes sense. So let's talk about numbers. The 80 sensors and the tool is only $1,279. When you break it down, it's about 16 bucks a sensor. On top of that, you're getting an unlocked tool for free. This is a pretty solid starting point, or should I say launching point, for your TPMS business, whether you're upgrading or just starting out. Support matters. LaunchTech USA tech support is based entirely right here in the US. So if something does come up, you're calling during business hours and speaking to someone in the US. If TPMS is part of what you do every week, this makes sense. Tire shops, general repair, fleet mechanics, if you're tired of piecing it together, this simplifies it. Tool and inventory in one move. If you already have a TPMS tool, this is something still worth looking at. A lot of shops get something basic to start out with. It reads the sensors, it gets you by. If you're still switching tools to program and then plugging into something separate for relearn and then ordering sensors one job at a time, that's just extra steps. This setup simplifies it. One tool and you got sensors on the shelf. No more bouncing between systems anymore. That's the LaunchTech USA TSAP-3 with 80 dual valve sensors. If TPMS is part of your week, this just makes sense. You can check it out at TireSupplyNetwork.com.